Bureau of Medical Scatology. I do not have time for this. Hold on, let me confirm. Thank you. I'll send someone right now.
At first I thought it was a corn, or like a peanut, but I hadn't eaten any of those. So I thought there was like a glimmer to it. It had like a luster about it, so I poked it with my finger. But look at, there was a pearl in there. And I didn't eat that. I didn't eat one of those.
First, Chief Turd Coroner, Dr. Harry Kyriakis, must run a chemical test on the object to determine whether it's an actual pearl.
That's the real McCoy, all right.
Now that they know it's a genuine pearl, our investigators' attention returns to the turd itself. Developed in 1997 by England's Bristol Royal Institute, the Bristol Stool Scale classifies human feces into 7 categories. Today's subject is classified as a type 3 turd, sausage-shaped with cracks in its surface, perfectly normal, except for the pearl. Now things get more complicated. Fecal microbiologist Rudy Smoot must check the turd for trace amounts of gold, silver, or other precious metals or gemstones. Though the subject denies ingesting any jewelry, the first thing you learn as a turd coroner is that people frequently lie about what they have and haven't eaten.
I've got nothing here. Just your run-of-the-mill turd matter. Mostly flamin' hot Cheetos and SpaghettiOs.
Olfactory and tactile expert Dr. Lillian Baldinger attempts to confirm Dr. Smoot's findings by studying the turd's bouquet.
Yep, scent analysis bears that out. That's a spicy baby.
No, I didn't eat any kind of jewelry of any kind. I didn't eat a bracelet or a necklace or no. Do I look like the kind of guy that can afford to eat jewelries? I can't even get real SpaghettiOs most of the time. I gotta get spaghetti rings. I've had scurvy 2 times.
Come on, baby. Talk to me. What secrets do you hold?
But today, even fecal spaghettification proves fruitless. The turd matter is consistent with that of a poorly nourished adult male. Perplexed, our investigators send turd samples to the lab for further testing.
No, I did not realize that it's a federal crime to lie to you. That's super weird. But it doesn't matter because I'm not lying to you. I'm telling the truth. I didn't ever eat that stuff. Okay, maybe maybe I ate a plastic ring that I found in the bottom of a Cracker Jacks. I didn't do it on purpose. I don't want to brag, but I'm a super fast eater, and I got like no gag reflex. It was college. It was a long time ago. I don't know why we're talking about it. Just, I didn't even have the ring. I don't even have it anymore. I gave it to my mom. Talk to my mom if you want to hear that story. Whatever. Shut up, stupid. What?
My God.
This man has an oyster lodged in his small intestine.
So it was about 3 years ago. I went to an oyster bar for the first time. And I was just wolfing them down, you know? And I was like, why is this even a thing? This is stupid. Why do people like this? It's just like eating a bunch of rocks. Apparently, I was informed later, apparently you're supposed to take them out of the shell or whatever. It was not a pleasant morning the next day, for me or for the plumber. I just assumed we had everything, accounted for. But apparently I had one little fella stay behind. I'd say let him stay. What's he hurting? You know what I'm saying? Maybe someday I'll have enough to make a whole necklace.